Welcome to the Crouzet TechLab. Today, we're here to help you smoothly transition from Millenium3 Soft to Crouzet Soft. If you're using Millennium 3 logic controllers and want to upgrade, this video is for you. We'll guide you step by step on how to convert your program. First, on the left side window, we have an example of a basic program made for Millennium 3, where, as you can see here, we used an expandable smart version with 26 inputs/outputs for 24 VDC, and also a communication expansion included here. So our goal with this small program is to read the voltage information from a battery. That means it will be an analog value, and then compare it with two given values that correspond to the loaded and unloaded values. In this example, they are 7.2 volts and 8.4 volts. If we find a match, then it will turn the light on or off. Okay, let's try a short simulation. For example, if I choose a voltage and analog value of 900 bits, it will tell us that the battery is loaded. Okay, now let's transfer this program to Crouzet Soft. Step 1, I'll just click on the Open icon, which is a folder. Then I'll select my program file, which is a PM3 file, as you can see. I click on it, and we get this message because we need to choose a new controller that Crouzet Soft recognizes, since the Millennium 3 is not included. I will just select a Millennium with a similar configuration, with a screen, in 24 VDC with analog inputs, because the voltage of the battery is measured in analog values. And there we go. Once we click OK, we will have another warning message about the software compatibility. But don't worry, click OK. And now there's another message about two uncompatible blocks from our example program. But don't worry, we will cover that right after. For now, we see that the program has been converted. Step 2, let's rearrange our I/Os. As the number of inputs and outputs is not the same, here we had 26 and now we have 12. By default, all the blocks on your program will appear at the center of your new canvas. Now we just have to place our inputs and outputs in the correct spot. In this example, the key part is the position of the analog inputs, since it's not the same. Based on the datasheet, I know that the new Millennium has its analog inputs at the beginning, between the first and the fourth, and the Millennium 3 had them between the B and the G. So, just for the example, if I try to put it here at the 6th input, I'll get an error message because it's not compatible with an analog input. So, I'll just put it at the beginning. We'll do the same for the outputs. And there we go. Program is converted. Now the step 3. Let's check the block's incompatibilities. I intentionally added two unrelated function blocks that are incompatible with Crouzet Soft, just to show you how to fix them. You will find them very easily because they will have a big red cross. We can see here on the left screen that we had a text block that used to help us adding simple texts like this, but it's not available anymore in Crouzet Soft. And we also had a legacy display block that had a smaller screen size and a different logic. That's why the Crouzet Soft didn't recognize it. Okay, for now, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to identify these block incompatibilities. Now please join me to the next video to show you how to fix them. That's it. Now we have successfully transferred a program from Millennium3 Soft to Crouzet Soft. I hope you found it useful. And if you have any questions or comments, we will be happy to help.